Hello guys and welcome back to the Tech Creators. So guys, today in this video we are going to make changes in our project. You just really need to change this color, so change it one by one. Okay, as I'm showing you right now, just change all those colors step by step, and this is the custom color I have added. You can add it by yourself. And yeah guys, one more thing I would like to tell you. Okay, now save this. And yeah, I have changed the icon of the app. You can download this icon from the description. Okay, and now the UI of our login page is already prepared by me. It take me one day to design this whole page. Okay guys, so not I'm going to show you how to design it, but yeah, I have done one thing. I have shared that view and this shared view in the Sketchware projects. Okay, so let me show you how you will find it in the Sketchware shared projects. Let me sign in with my account first of all. Okay guys, now here you can see I have shared the project and the title of the project is Instagram login UI. Okay, and yeah, my account name is same as my channel name, Tech Creators Hub on the Sketchware too. So if you find any view or any blog in the Sketchware named Tech Creators Hub, then it's my shared views. Okay, you need to download it. Now you can search here Instagram clone and you will find that UI I have shared. Okay, here is the first UI you can use. Just click on that and download it, and then after downloading it, just directly paste it into your main activity. Okay, and then for the blog, so you can say the UI design, you can just directly, yeah, likewise I'm not going to download it because I already have in my shared views, so I will cancel it out. Okay, and then let's back to the main activity in our app, and here you can see I have the UX named UI which I have shared with you guys. Yes, you can just need to do is just drag and drop into your main activity, and that's it. Our UI design is ready for our login page. Now let's go to the logic section. Now what you really need to do is import the two more blocks which I have already shared in the Sketchware shared blocks. So you have to download these two blocks from there again. So let me show you. Let me show you my shared blocks. Okay, it is taking time due to the slow internet connection. Okay, and let me do something. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi instead of using this mobile data. Okay, so let me turn on the Wi-Fi. Sorry guys for this, but this is because the slow internet connection in my device. Okay, yeah, here you can see I have shared these two blocks in the Sketchware, rounded corners and round with stroke. You just really need to import these two blocks into our project directly. Okay, so open it up one by one and download them, and then after downloading, just really need to use them, import into the project. Okay, here you can see it is also by Tech Creators. Okay, I'm not going to download or save or just cancel it out. Okay, because I already have that. And same way here is another, you can see guys. And yeah guys, if you really want the tutorial for designing everything into the video, then let me know in the comment section, so I will create another video in which I will show you each and everything which I have designed. I have not recorded because it took me one day to design perfectly. It is not still perfect, but yeah, it looks like that. And yeah, another thing, I have used in custom fonts. You can download them from the description. Here you can see this custom font. Okay, download link is in description. Okay guys, and afterwards put this to block on create. You can see the data which I have entered, same to same you have to enter the data in those blocks, and then you can see. Okay, that's it. Now you can just need to do is just save it, the project, and run it. Our login UI design is ready. Yes, we have done with our front end development for our Instagram login UI design. Okay guys, okay, Sketchware is stop. Unfortunately, let me reopen the project and let's rerun it. Okay guys, now here you can see my project is compiling, and yeah, in our next video guys, we will discuss about the backend development or backend programming of our login page. Okay, we will make this login page functioning in our third episode. Okay, now let's install this and let's open it up. Okay, now let's open this, and yeah guys, you can see it looks the same, or we can say similar to the Instagram login page. Okay, here you can see likewise this is not functioning. We will do this functioning of the login page in the next video, which I call the backend programming, in the next video. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Let me meet you in the third episode, and here it was the end of the second episode. Bye guys.